Hello, boys and girls. Somebody must have got thrown out. So, as the great Kenny says, we don't need a big hammer here. But all ours for free. Yeah, what the hell? If it works, great. If not, we'll scrap it. Anyway, see what else we can find. Oh, cutie. What is it? Those like frames. Ball game. Pinball type game. Oh, what's that? Don't know. Oh, I can go back in the trash. The Teachings of Presents of the Church, Joseph Smith. Ah, Mormons. Mormons. We got some Mormons. No idea. Hopefully this is a bit more stuff. Anyway, I'll come back to you if there's anything else. This ain't well chuffed with. It's even got a little wow thing on it. Whee! Got it on my wall, that. Mine. But always good. Always good. Hold on. Yeah, I'll shred that. I'm not tea leaf. Well, someone of the Mormon faith, really. There's a cord van bottom. Oh, the drains! I'll go in the recycled clothes pile. That actually weighs all that stuff. All sorts. Oh, there's a bloody god. Sweet, can't get bayonet balls over here. Oh man, he's like 2-3 quid ago. 40 watt. Ooh. Up. Yeah, don't like videos. As you know, I've scrapped all my videos. Human society. Ah, the original. The original. Could that be for this printer thing? Printer, scanner, whatever else it may be. Ugh, weirdness. Ugh. See? Beautiful colours as well. Ooh, melody. Anyway, got a problem up there. I'll have to come back to you on this one. It's a two-hand job. Cash from your old mobile. Isn't the right one for that? Yeah, still got the plastic on the screen. On the charger. Good lord. All sorts of gibberish. Hands-free. Ooh, bandages. That's good. Chargers. Curtain. Hey mother! Right, well, I've brought the stuff inside because obviously, as you might have been able to hear from the background noise, some of the neighbours were having a little bit of a tiff with each other. As, you know, it's Saturday night, for God's sake, so what the hell, leave them be. So anyway, Guitar Heroes! Sweet! Got the original plate of this as well, which is in there. Whoop. Got a new bag to put my scrap in, which is good, because I like new bags to put my scrap in. This, which I'm going to play the hell out of in a bit, it's even got the balls in. Sweet! I've cleaned all this off if there's any goop on there. I have no idea what the hell this is. This thing, which is a jug, it's the Kool-Aid Man. So I'm keeping that for a bit. Mrs. Pirate says it's ugly. What else we got? Halloweeny mug thing. Oh, she nearly spoke there, kids. Hold on, I'll turn off the camera and I can have my rollicking. Correction, kids, we do not have a mug that we will not be using, because that's dirty, dirty and wrong. Bad, Polly, bad. Anyway, continuing on. Stuff for the clothes bag. This is in no way meant to be worn, but it's for our clothes bag, and being woolen, it's really heavy. Adidas. Again, I'll have to stop. Batteries! Lots and lots of batteries. I was running out and I actually was contemplating buying another one of these boards. And now I don't have to. Go over there in the keep pile. So you've got a bin pile, keep pile. Shoe dye. I've had a look inside, it's not like a polish. You actually stick it on and it dyes the thing. Well, that's good because my new boots are caught with the edge of the door. And Mrs. Pirate now knows that because she's sitting opposite me. So that's going to fix them. And then it can go in the bin. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. The original front, eBay item, sell it as a pair. Or bung it on my wall because it's so cool. No, see? Overruled already. Yeah, I know. Tippy Tommy, keep your bottle warm for baby type thing, with a vase shoved in it. Well, it's a tippy vase. What was that? Overruled again. Bye bye vase. No! Bye into the bin of doom. And the Tippy Tommy thing, no. Frankly, if you're going to use stuff like that, if baby's involved, get it what new. Ooh! Well, it's not really, yeah. Just have a feel, I don't think that's cloth. Ooh. Oh, I think I'm being overruled here. Right, in there. See? This is worth a weight in gold. So, I don't know what you call these. What are these things called? Scarf? Weird ass scarfy thing. Oh yeah, for the printer, it actually turned out there was no cables for it, so in you go. More hats. A seatbelt killer. That's just cool factor 11, so I'm keeping that. Incense sticks. I'm going to give them a go. I like incense. And again, I've just run out. Nope.
My drawer. Lemongrass.
Oh, they're gone. Used.
No, they're not. They're still there.
Gone. Used. So, I was thinking about getting some more, so I'll give these a go. But there you go. Free. Ah! Motherboard batteries. Sweet. And BlackBerry holder type thing. I know a guy at work with a BlackBerry, so there you go, free gift. Some of the oddest shades imaginable, but they've got screws there. Hold on. Yay! There's a screw. So anyway, my cop-looking round shades with the shiny like aviator type things, they're missing arms. No, they're not. And a hell of a lot of chargers and one mobile phone. Sweet! So there you go. For 2 minutes work, because I'm a magpie. Bye.